All right, this is a double glass board, and what we're going to simulate here is a test to shut off the fans. This board is not connected to anything, but it's actually locked in a state where it's fitting the fans if they were connected. The indication are the fan LEDs over here. They're orange to tell us something, basically to tell us the board doesn't feel the fan. It makes sense because nothing is connected to it. That's where the double glass will connect. That's the relay. I've connected two wires. Normally you'll have the relay will be connected to your receiver. So at this point, if fans were connected, they wouldn't have been running. If I wanted to test this board, I would shock it. And basically the white LED went off, indicating the relay. It got the message. It thinks as if someone turned off the fireplace. If you shock it the other way now, every time you do this, now it thinks the fireplace started. If I shock it the same way, nothing happens. I have to change polarity. And this is a test to tell the board is fine.